hard drives are something that we usually need when it comes to storage space, especially when it comes to gaming. So Seagate has actually teamed up with Marvel to produce a lineup of really cool portable 2 terabyte hard drives. This is their Ghost Spider drive. As you can see here, the art is really cool. It's got Gwen Stacy Spider on there. That's as known as Ghost Spider, or as a lot of people have affectionately called her, Spider-Gwen. This is a really cool Seagate hard drive that also can be used with your PCs, your Macs, your Xbox Series X's, and your PS5. So if you're looking to get a little bit more storage space on your devices, a little more setup, and this is a really good option for that. That's really cool. I like that. And then in here, you have your connection cord. It's a USB 3.0, and then the actual drive. Oh, that's really cool. So your cord just goes connected right here in the back. Really simplistic. It does have some color lighting, some RGB, so we'll look into that in a second. But I love how, first of all, that's super thin. I love the branding, the Ghost Spider there, the actual design. It's really cool. It is 2 terabyte. They also have it available with Miles Morales, and more are going to be coming down the line. Oh, that's so cool. So they gave some stickers. It's hard to see because they're white on white. But you got your FireCuda, you got your Seagate Gaming, got another FireCuda there, and then you have spiders here, and then the Marvel logo. That's really cool. This is the FireCuda manual for the gaming hard drive. Really nice. So what we're going to set this up so you can kind of see it with the light up on it, so you can kind of get the idea of what it looks like and how cool it is, and we'll be back. This drive is so cool. If you've got any gaming fans in the world who also specifically are big fans of Spider-Gwen or Miles Morales with their other models, then I highly recommend you pick this up. This would be a really good holiday gift, especially if they've already had their next-gen console for a bit and these newer games with the better graphics are really eating up all that storage space. Then this would be a nice way for them to have a little bit more for their next games. Well, again, hopefully you guys saw this and like this. Hopefully you guys pick it up for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.